In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the background eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop. We'll go through each step to ensure you can master this technique and apply it efficiently to your projects. So let's dive right in. To begin, let's start with opening Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't already launched the application, go ahead and do so. Once it's open, ensure you're working on the version of Photoshop installed on your device. Being familiar with your workspace is important as you'll often find yourself navigating through various tools and panels. Next, you'll need to prepare your image. Select the image that requires background removal and open it in Photoshop. Ensure the image is of high quality as it will greatly impact the final result. If you're working with layers, make sure the layer isn't locked as you'll need full editability. Now let's make a selection of the subject in your image. To do this, use the Magic Wand tool. You can find this in the toolbar on the left side of your screen, usually represented by a wand icon. With the tool selected, click on your subject. Photoshop will automatically highlight and select it for you. If your subject is complex, feel free to adjust the selection by adding or subtracting areas to refine it further. After making your selection, you will want to invert it. Inverting means selecting everything except your subject, essentially letting you focus on the background. To invert your selection, head up to the Select menu at the top of your screen and then choose Inverse. By inverting the selection, your focus is now entirely on the background, setting you up perfectly for the next step. Finally, it's time to erase the background. Select the background eraser tool from the toolbar. It might be nested under the eraser tool, so hold down on the eraser icon to reveal it. With the background eraser tool in hand, start to carefully brush over the areas you wish to remove. Adjust the brush size and hardness as needed to tackle intricate details. You may need to zoom in to ensure you're not accidentally erasing essential parts of your subject. As you continue erasing, you'll notice the background starts to disappear, leaving your subject cleanly outlined. Keep brushing until you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. You've successfully used the background eraser tool in Photoshop to remove the background from your image. With practice, you'll find this process becomes quicker and smoother, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate it into your design workflow. Thanks for watching and happy Photoshopping.